31 C2H2, central atom is carbon, so therefore here is hydrogen, C triple bond CH. Okay, around this carbon the number of sigma bonds 2, around this carbon number of sigma bonds here is also 2, so therefore okay 2 here. So each carbon hybridization is 2 sigma bonds, number of lone pairs 0, 2. So each carbon is sp hybridization. Each carbon is what? Each carbon has which one? sp hybridization. Coming to the 32, then C2H4 molecule, C double bond C, hydrogen, then here is hydrogen. So this carbon contains 3 sigma bonds, this carbon contains 3 sigma bond. So X equals to number of sigma bonds around each carbon 1, 2, 3, no lone pair of electrons around each carbon 0, so therefore 3. Hybridization is what? sp2 for which carbon? Each carbon. Then 33, this is CH2 double bond CH2. The name of this molecule is allene or propa 1,2 propadiene, 1,2 propadiene, 1,2 propadiene. Now double bond, so therefore this carbon 3 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, no lone pair of electron, so therefore this is sp2, sp2. So therefore ratio of hybridized carbons of which one? Carbon sp is to carbon sp2, that is 1:2 ratio. Which ratio? 1:2 ratio. So this type of questions also very important in IIT JEE. So one time this question asked. Then 34 CH2 double bond, here is CH double bond, here is what? CH2. What double bond? If a carbon all are single bonds, sp3. If a carbon contains double bond, definitely sp2. If a carbon contains triple bond, sp. So therefore this is sp2, it is also sp2, all are what? sp2 carbons. All are what? sp2 carbon atoms. Here the number of carbon sp2 equals to what? 4 carbons. Number of sp2 carbons equals to which one? 4. Then 35 CH2 double bond CH, then C triple bond H, This is commonly known as vinyl acetylene. Vinyl acetylene. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute, 2-ene, 3-ene, 2-ene, 3-ene, bute 3-ene, 2-ene, sorry 1-ene, bute 1-ene, 3-ene. Okay, this is the IUPAC name. So these two carbons are contains sp2. These two carbons are what? sp. So therefore ratio is CSP is to CSP2, sp is to C, sp2 is, that is 2:2, 1:1. Then 36 is benzene, double bond, here is double bond like this. So therefore H, hydrogen, then like this. So therefore all carbon atoms are what? All carbon atoms are belongs to which one? sp2 only.